Welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. In today's video, we're going to talk about the correct way to perform trademark searches for print on demand and for Amazon KDP. So whether you're selling on Amazon KDP, Etsy, Redbubble, or any other print on demand platform, you need to watch this video because I have an amazing website for you that's free to use that will allow you to check for trademarked terms and ensure that your account stays safe and within the guidelines to avoid copyright infringement. And in this video, I will dive into an easy step-by-step instructions to conduct trademark searches using a website called Trademarkia, which is one of the best platforms to check for trademark terms. We're going to talk about step by step. Now, step one is to choose your niche. I want you to start by selecting a niche for your print on demand or your Amazon KDP design. Consider targeting evergreen niches. We've got birthdays, we've got holidays. This helps to maximize the potential audience. Step two is to understand the bestseller rankings. You can use tools like DS Amazon Quick View that I've talked about in the previous videos that will be linked in the description box below. This is used to access bestseller rankings on Amazon, and this will help to increase the popularity and the demand for specific designs within your chosen niche. And step three is to access Trademarkia. So go to Trademarkia's website, which is basically trademarkia.com, and here you will click on the free trademark search feature, and this is where you will conduct your trademark searches to ensure your designs are legally safe. And step four is to perform your search. So enter the keywords that are related to your niche. This could be slogans, it could be phrases, it could be the title that you're using, or it could be the text that's shown on the print on demand product, whether that's a t-shirt or a sticker, and you're going to enter that in and then filter the results based on relevant classifications such as class 25, for example, for clothing products. If you're searching for anything to do with print on demand, that is a clothing product, whether that's a t-shirt, whether that's anything that is wearable. Step five is to interpret the results. So I want you to go ahead and review the search results that you've come up with, and this will really helps you to identify any trademarks that may conflict with your design. Pay attention to trademarks that are live or pending within your chosen classification. Step six is to start creating your designs based on your trademark search results. Create designs that are both unique and legally compliant. I want you to please avoid using trademark phrases and instead focus on crafting your variations to stand out in the marketplace. And step seven is to stay consistent. And this is something that people usually forget about, because once they've gone in and searched the term or the slogan that they want to use and they've checked that it is not trademarked, they will use it and they will continue on using it and they will continue to have that product on live, but they fail to stay consistent in checking. So please make sure that you regularly visit Trademarkia website in order to update your designs, in order to update your slogans, to keep on checking the slogans every now and then to ensure that they are not registered to be trademarked, and also check for updates as well. And this is really necessary in order to ensure that your account stays safe. I wish you all the best. Let me know what kind of videos you're interested in seeing next time, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and have a great day.